Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play American Truck Simulator on Android. This involves using cloud gaming services, as the game is not native to mobile devices. You will need a stable internet connection and a compatible Android device. We will cover the essential steps to get you trucking on the go. First, ensure your device meets basic requirements for streaming high-quality games. Then, we will explore the best cloud platforms available for this experience. Get ready to hit the virtual road from anywhere. To begin your journey, you will need to pick a reliable cloud gaming service. Platforms like GeForce now allow you to stream your existing PC games, including American Truck Simulator, directly to your Android device. Make sure the service you choose has good server coverage in your area for minimal latency. Also, consider the subscription tiers and what they offer in terms of session length and graphics quality. A stable internet connection is absolutely vital for a smooth experience. Once you have your service selected, download its dedicated app from the Google Play Store onto your Android phone or tablet. After installation, log in with your account credentials. For services like GeForce Now, you will then link your Steam account, which holds your copy of American Truck Simulator. Navigate to the game in the Services library and simply click to launch it. The game will run on powerful remote servers and stream directly to your screen. To ensure the best possible trucking experience, prioritize a very stable internet connection. A 5 GHz Wi-Fi network is highly recommended over mobile data for consistent speeds. For enhanced control, consider pairing a Bluetooth game controller with your Android device, as touch controls can be challenging for driving simulations. You might also adjust the in-game graphics settings within the cloud service to find a balance between visual fidelity and smooth streaming. Closing other apps on your device can also help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.